What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 116 and today's topic will be very interesting. In this tutorial, I have actually going to show you something very interesting and that is related to Reddit. Okay, so in last I think in last month I got some request from one of my clients that they are trying to develop one knowledge base for their employees, but they want to generate the knowledge base not from Stack Overflow. They wanted to generate the knowledge base directly from Stack Overflow and Reddit. Okay, so but initially they wanted to develop it with the Reddit like post. Like for example, I hope you guys know what is Reddit. So let me actually open an device here. Basically, this is Reddit.com. So in the Reddit.com, generally, like everyone posts some question, they get some answer, and then you can go and ask for a follow-up question and etc. It's just like a community. Not only technical things are there, like it has multiple categories, maybe thousands of 10,000s of categories are there. So you can get information about anything, like from general studies to finance, maybe some cooking, some photography, some travel. If you are if you are interested on like share market, stock exchange, broking, like property, asset, real estate, all the different categories are there, right? Okay, uh, so our target is to actually develop a system with the help of LLM, so that whenever the internal employee or their employee is going to ask something in their portal, the portal basically fetch the information directly from the Reddit and do it. But then they actually change the plan because the Reddit API is there, but they wanted to actually create something like RAG or something. Like they wanted to refresh the system once in a day, but rest of the time the results must be coming from their internal vector database. Okay, so let's forget about that thing. Now my objective is actually to develop a system which will first load Reddit post into your local system, and after that you can create or you can dump those things into a vector database, and after that you can do some query. So basically it will be chat with Reddit using LangChain. Okay, so similarly, if you can write chat with PDF, chat with etc. So here we are directly going to chat with Reddit. But the most important part is actually how to use LangChain to get the post from Reddit. Okay. For that, first you have to go to this link, reddit.com. This I believe all of you will create a account on Reddit, and after that you have to go to this link. I believe I have given this thing here, right? Reddit app. So let me just copy this thing and paste it here, right? So we will not forget. Okay, and once you go there, you have to actually put something like this. So I have created a name LLM. You have to select script. Here you have to write LLM, and the redirect URI you have to put like this. Okay, and after that you have to like select this thing. Okay. Okay, so this is created. This is the first part. Okay, now what we'll do, I'm just going to show you something very interesting, but before that just give me 1 minute. I'm just actually trying to check whether it is giving the correct thing or not. Just give me one moment. Okay. Okay, just give me a moment. Yeah. Okay, so basically this is my, I think this is my client ID, this is my secret, this is my user agent. You have to remember these things, those things will be required. Okay, so our app is created. So now with the help of this app, or you can think this as an API gateway, we can easily now extract the information from the Reddit. So this is very important. Okay. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll be just going to open our VS Code and start writing the code. But if you see here, we have to install this thing. But I have installed already, so I'm just skipping this part. So now we'll be going to start working directly on the coding part. Okay. Okay. So let's start writing the code. Okay. Okay, so let's start writing the code first. Okay, so first thing we need to import. Okay, I think I need to make it a little bit bigger from LangChain community. Okay, okay. Document loaders. Okay, so this time I'll be going to import Reddit post loader. Okay, so where it what is Reddit? Yeah, okay, right. So let's load the Reddit post first. Okay. Loader equals to Reddit post loader. So it requires couple of parameters. Okay, okay. So it's here. Everything is written here. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll be just going to copy this entire thing. Okay, let me copy this entire thing. I don't like to remember these things blindly. Okay. Now we'll be going to do everything one by one. Okay. This such queries. Okay. Think categories. This. Okay. 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 Right. So these are the parameters. These parameters are required, right? So first of all, it will be client ID equals to. Okay. So let's see. Then client secret equals to, everything will be equals to. Then user agent equals to. So few minutes ago we created this stuff. So what I'll do, I'll just go here. Just stay with me. I'll do everything here. So this is the client. Okay. What I'll do, just go here. Okay. Paste it. Okay. Done. Now what you have to do, you have to just get the client secret from here. Right? Just copy. Okay. So this is a little bit you guys will become impatient, but don't worry. Okay. So this is user agent. Okay. They call it as a developer, but basically this will be user agent. Basically it's your username. Okay. On the API. So now the search queries. So these things are interesting little bit. So what search queries you want to use? Okay. So what mode? I think mode is actually not required because mode will be subredded it. So because we just want to read it based on the this thing. Then categories. Okay. So search queries there, mode is there. I think categories does not matter. Okay. Going to search. Okay. Okay. So here what we'll do. Hold on. So here I'll be just going to write in the search queries. Just thinking what I can write. Mm, okay. So let me get some something from here. Okay. So basically this is Indian cricket. Okay. So let's copy this thing from here. Okay. Okay. Right. This is string, but it will be basically subred edit, something like that. It will be subred edit. It will be sub redd. Okay, right. So number of post will be integer. Okay. So what I'll do, just to show you guys, first I will load one post, and after that I'll be just going to load multiple posts. Okay, right. So loader is ready. Then docs equals to loader dot load, right? Okay. Hope you guys understood. Right. What I'll do, I'll be going to do things. First, I'll be going to print the doc to check whether I'm getting the documents or not. Next, I'm going to do. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. Okay. If you see, okay. So up to this point, I think everything is clear. I got one document, and if you see, there is only one document, right? I'll be just going to kind of give a pause over here, okay? Because my internet is actually not very like fast. So what I'll do, I'll just pause it here, and I'll just going to actually create another video, because if the video length will become longer, then with my slow internet connection, it will be difficult for me to upload in the YouTube. So I'll be just going to come back in the second part. Just stay tuned. Okay. All right. So now we loaded the document. So now what we'll do, we'll be just going to load 100 documents and see. Okay. Okay. 100 documents are loaded, right? Now what will happen? We'll be going to actually split the document, right? So first, um, LangChain dot text splitter import recursive character text splitter, right? Then we'll be going to import from LangChain dot LangChain underscore OpenAI import at OpenAI. Yeah, I believe these things are done. These are required actually to do some complex topic, right? Mm, I think most of the things are done, right? So now we can easily, okay, one more thing is required. So we want to create a vector DB with that. So from LangChain underscore comma import comma, right? I think let's minimize this thing. Okay. Let me do a clear here. Okay. Okay. Everything is fine now. Now we'll be going to our document is ready, and I don't want to print this thing. So what will be going to happen now? We'll be going to actually create a document. We'll be going to create a text splitter. Okay. So splitter maybe TS text splitter. TS text splitter. So recursive character text splitter, right? So it will have chunk size chunk size, let's say I will make it, let's say 1000. Okay. And chunk overlap is going to 5, maybe 20, right? Now what will happen, split document. So this actually split document. I'm just going to use shortcut document name, shortcut variable names, but this is not advisable or recommended. Just to make it a little bit faster, I'm doing it. Yes, this is this variable dot split document, right? So what we'll do, we'll be just going to put our docs. This things I want to split, right? Docs, right? I don't want to. Okay, okay. So let's see if the splitting is done correctly or not. To know this thing, I want to just print this SD only once. Okay. Okay, all done. Now what will happen? We'll be going to create a vector DB from this document, right? So let's say create VS. Okay. So comma. Okay. Dot from documents, right? So I'll be just going to put SD. SD means splitted document, right? And then embedding is equal to OpenAI embeddings, right? And I want to actually save this thing in my local, so that I should not run the entire code again and again. So persist directory, something like this, and then VS. Okay, done. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Okay. If you see here, it is saying that it has a metadata which type is redditor. So as a result, it is not able to actually do that. Okay. Okay. What we have to do? They are suggesting that we need to filter this out. What I'll do? I'm just going to copy this thing. Okay. Control C. I'll be just going to paste it here. Okay. And at the beginning, I'll just write from LangChain commit. Okay, YouTube and then import. Okay, done. And here, what will happen? Uh, okay, is D, right? Okay, so let's delete this thing. Okay, now let's execute again. Hopefully, this time it will be available here. Okay, all done. Okay, it's created. Now what will happen? I don't want to actually run this things again and again. So basically, you can easily uh, uncomment this part. Sorry, comment out this part and this part as well. Okay, because vector store is loaded here, right? So first part is completed. Now I want to actually, but before that, let me actually write LLM equals to chat OpenAI. Okay, and model equals to GPT hyphen 4. Okay, all done. Okay, right, right. Now, now what will happen? I want to actually take the reference from here. This thing. So for that, what will happen? VS Chroma. Okay, and I just want to take the reference from there. So persist directory, it should be slash dot vs. Okay, like this. Okay, and embedding functions equals to OpenAI embeddings like this. Okay, all done. See whether it is working or not. Just check. Definitely it will be working. It is just going to read it. It will be very fast as well, and it is already completed. If you see here, it is completed. Okay, so execute and it will finish now. It's instant actually. Okay, it's loaded. No problem at all. Now what we'll do? Now we'll be going to actually ask a query and check whether it is actually going to get that information or not. Okay, clear? Okay, so let's do that. Okay, I'm just thinking what to do here. So let's create a variable called retriever. Okay, as retriever, and how many documents I want to retrieve, you have to pass it here. So it should be k equals to 5. Right. So what we'll do, we'll be just going to write MD. MD means match in documents. Okay, match docs. Okay. It should be retriever dot will be retriever dot uh, in um, retriever dot invoke basically. Okay. Okay. So now we'll be going to write something like India versus New Zealand. Okay. And after that, I just want to print what is happening there. Okay. Okay. Let's see. It is directly coming from here, right? It came. Okay. So yeah. Okay. 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 So everything actually came. It's like quite nice. Okay. But one thing I want to highlight, see, I don't know how many posts are there and whether it is going to like justify the context. So maybe you always okay. Don't expect that you're always going to get the correct answer, right? So basically, it is creating the context. Match docs means it is actually going to create the context. Now what will happen? Now if you want to actually go to the next level is actually means if you want to create a document chain, and from the document chain if you want to actually uh, get some more information, right? So basically for that just hold on what I'm saying here. So maybe mm, from LangChain dot just hold on underscore mm, just hold on what basically you need. Okay, langchain dot inf dot question answering import. Yeah, so this is right. So now I can create something like an, okay, by the way this things is deprecated, so maybe in the future this will not work, but just to like you guys can check the documentation, you will see it, right? So this chain, um, and I can just write load qhn, right? And there um, how to do it. So basically LLM, okay, what a thing chain type is stuff, okay, equals to LLM and chain type equals to stf, okay, stuff, right? Then what will happen? Response equals to chain dot invoke, dot invoke, sorry, dot run actually, dot run because invoke is not available here. So input document, okay, so input document equals to um, match docs, okay, this match docs, and the question we have to ask some question here, okay. Okay, so what question? Um, maybe I can just ask Washington Sundar. Maybe let's see. Let's ask something. Just hold on. Okay. Washington Sundar. Just hold on. Okay. How Washington Sundar performed. Okay. Let print response. Okay. Okay. So now something interesting will be coming. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, see, Washington Sundar performed exceptionally well in the test match against India. He picked up more wickets than Ashwin and Jadeja and combined scored more runs than Kohli and Wade combined. Basically, he took 11 wickets and 115 runs in this match. Okay, okay. So, uh, okay. So this is something very interesting. Okay, just hold on. Um, why they are saying Washington should score 115 runs? I don't know because his score may be less than that, but maybe someone posted wrongly, so that's why they put like that. Okay, anyways, so what actually I was trying to portray, that is done. So this is the complete code. First part is actually loading the document. So now what I'll do, I'll be just going to increment this part. Okay, and this part, basically this is the first part where we are loading the post from Reddit. Okay. Then you are split, then you are getting the splitted document, and after that you are converting into a vector database inside, sorry, not converting, I'm just uh, loaded that into a vector DB. If you are going to use the persistent, it's not required. This line is not required. This line will be required. So depending on your like usability, you can use this or this. Okay, and after that we created a retriever, and then we ask this question. But this chain will not work in the future. So just you have to go to the line chain documentation, and you please try to find out the equivalent chain of this thing. Okay, so those things are documentation kind of a thing. Okay, I believe these things are super useful for all of you guys, and maybe you guys can create something amazing with this reference tutorial. So my objective is actually to help you guys to understand how to load Reddit post and how to actually create a LLM driven application from Reddit, because I actually search in the internet, Google, and even in the YouTube. I didn't find a single video where Reddit integration with LangChain was discussed. But surprisingly, I found that LangChain already has an integration with their community Reddit post loader. So that is the main thing, right? If you don't get the documents, if you don't get the data, there is no point. Okay, so enough of talking. So I'm just going to conclude the video over here. But before I conclude, I'd like to request you guys, and this is again my personal request. I'm uploading this video after long break because I came for vacation, and it's like kind of festival time in India, and I'm just on vacation, so that is why I'm not posting. But from now onwards I'll be just going to post regular basis. So please help me guys to grow. I need your help and support. If you watch my channel for the first time, please try to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share my videos, and try to hit the bell notification icon. And also, whenever possible, try to share my videos. And if you like my videos, enjoying the content, please let me know. Have some sort of feedback, good or bad, doesn't matter, but please post some honest feedback. I hope if something is not good, please let me know. I'll try to improve my quality as well. And if you find this video valuable, please put some positive comments so that other people will find this video useful, and YouTube algorithm also going to promote my videos. And please try to subscribe. Until and unless you guys don't subscribe, my subscriber count will not increase, and that will be required to get the video promoted by YouTube and other platforms. So please help me guys grow. I am seeking all of your support. Okay, so that's it. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day and happy learning.